everyone, it's Nicole. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a review on this cream here. Now this is just a sample size that I got and I was like, whoa, I need to do a review on this. I was very surprised. So this is the Dr. Dennis Gross Stress Repair Face Cream. So as I said, this is just a sample, but the actual cream comes in a 60ml jar and it retails for $115. Now with this brand, as I've done previous videos, it is something new to me, this brand, and I have been very surprised in a few ways. Now this one in particular, when you put it on, the smell is so bad, and I know a lot of people have actually commented on the smell, and it's actually put a few people off buying it because of it. But I was exactly the same. I was like, oh, this is disgusting. But the feeling of this and how I wake up, I use this at night. So it says it can be AM or PM, but yeah, I've preferred using this at night. The feeling is so hydrating, not greasy. It seeps into your skin so beautifully, and it has just created this amazing glow that, to be honest, I have not had before with any other creams. I am obsessed. So from this sample, I am pretty sure that I will actually go out and purchase the cream. I absolutely love it that much. So would I recommend it? 100%. If you can get past the smell, it doesn't stay the whole time, which is great. But yeah, I hope you found this helpful. Such an amazing product. If you have used it before, let me know your thoughts. And as always, I will see you in my next video very soon. Thanks again for watching. Bye.